Okay, so we are continuing with another class. We have this question right here to solve, and this question tells us that without using calculator or tables or calculator, simplify 0.6 times 32 times 0.004 or divide by 1.2 times 0.008 times 0.5. So let's quickly jump into a solution. Again, you're welcome to this is um, Math Studio Hub. This is Math Studio Hub. So you can follow us on our YouTube channel, Math Studio Hub. Check us on our YouTube channel, Math Studio Hub. Okay, Math Studio Hub. Okay, so let's continue with solution. Okay, so this is going to give us for the first question. This is 0.6 is 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 1 in standard form. So this is what we'll have for this one. This is simplified to this. So now we're going to move our this in, we're going to move our decimal point by 1. It becomes 6.0 times 10 to the power minus 1. Then times 32. 32 is same thing as 32. Leave that at that point. Then times this is giving us, we move this 1, 2, 3, this is 4.0 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. That's what we'll have for our numerator, and then so all over our denominator will have 1.2, which is still 1.2 times, for this we'll have 1, 2, 3, removing 1, 2, 3, so we'll have 8.0 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 times, moving this 1 to this 1.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 1. So if we have that, we're going to divide. So this can cancel this off. 10 raised to the power minus 1 can cancel 10 raised to the power minus 1. So 4 can cancel 1, 2 can cancel 8, can go into 8, 2, 2 can go 1, 2 can go here, have 3. So we also have that this will have 3 times 32 in the numerator all over 1.2 times 1.6. Okay, so from there we can, if we go further, we are going to have that this is going to give us 60, this is going to give us 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, so we have 96, all divided by this. So when we multiply this with our calculator, right, we'll have the 1.2, have the 1.2 times 1.6 will give us 1.92, 1.92. So if you go ahead to do that, you divide that 96 by, divide 96 by 1 by 1.2, what you have 50. So in standard form our answer is 5.0 times 10 raised to the power 1. So this is our answer. So you can check it out using calculator to see if you have the same answer, right? Okay, so next question we have, next question says we should solve, so our next question says we should solve x minus 2 x plus x minus 3 is equals to 12. So what we need to do here is now to, you know, to expand and then solve quadratically. So expanding we have it that this times this will give us x squared, this times this will give us minus 3x, this times this will give us minus 2x, this times this will give us plus 6, minus 2 times minus 3 is plus 6. So this is what we have, and all equals to 12. So if we go ahead, taking like things, we have s squared, okay, we have s squared minus 3x minus 2x is, gives us minus 5x plus, we have this, so this comes over here, becomes 6 minus 12. So minus 12 coming over becomes minus is equals to 0. So this can go ahead to give us x squared minus 5x, and this is going to give us minus 6 is equals to 0. So we're going to look for two values that when we multiply, we'll have this middle term, and when we multiply, we'll have this term. When we add, we'll have this term. So what are the factors? So you see there's invisible one here. So now we're going to do 1 times 6. We're going to look for 6. So we have 6 minus 6. So the factors of minus 6 is 1 and 6. So minus 1 and 6, sign can be anywhere, or we'll have 2 and 3, but the sign can be anywhere. We can change the sign. So if we have that, such that you know, if we add them, we also have 6. So okay, so we quickly have that this is going to be the perfect value that will give us this answer. Okay, so we go ahead, and what we'll have is to say x squared, so we're using 6 and 1, so we're going to have plus x minus 6x. So have that x minus 6x will give you minus 5x, which is our middle term. That's what we want. And we multiply 1 times 6, we'll have minus 6. So this is what our factor. Then minus 12 is equals to 0. Okay, so this is what we'll have. And we'll go ahead from that to now say taking squaring both sides. So we'll have s squared plus x minus, since we have minus outside here, once we come in, we're going to have x 6x plus 12 is equals to 0. So this minus is coming in. Once we have this minus, this term become plus. Is that okay? Alright, so we go ahead and then to simplify. Taking factorizing, we'll bring out what is common here is x, and if we have x outside, what is left here is x, and then x into x is 1, so we have plus 1 minus what is common to these two. 6 is here, this is common here, so bring out 6, and what we have here is x, what we have here is plus so yes, so that's what we have here. Okay, sorry, this is okay, so sorry, there's a mistake we did here. So this is supposed to be minus 6, so this is going to be minus 6 plus 6. So if we bring that out, we'll have 1. Okay, is equals to 0. So you see now our two terms are the same. Okay, x plus 1, x plus 1. So taking the, from here, taking the coefficient, this coefficient, we're taking this coefficient, so this is x and minus this, so we have x minus 6 and x plus 1 is equals to 0. Is that okay? So if that is it, then I cannot say x minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 6. And also, second value of x, x plus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to minus 1. So hence our two values of x is x equals to 6 and x is equals to minus 1. So this is our answer for that question. Alright, so thank you.